A combined team of 6 Assam Rifles and Imphal East Commando apprehended 2 arms dealers and seized 1 AK-56 rifle, 80 live rounds and 3 magazines from their possession at Koirengai under Hengang police station this morning, a police report said. A day after the Uddhav Thackeray-led Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi government won a floor test with 169 votes in the 288-member House walked out, MVA candidate Nana Patole was elected Speaker of the Maharashtra Assembly unopposed as Bharatiya Janata Party withdrew nomination of its candidate Kisan Kathore this morning. Former Chief Minister and Bharatiya Janata Party BJP leader Devendra Fadnavis was appointed as the leader of opposition in the Maharashtra Assembly today. Nana Patole, the newly appointed Speaker of the House, made the announcement. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray and senior leaders of Shiv Sena, Nationalist Congress Party and Congress congratulated Fadnavis. The Manipur State Control Society observed the World AIDS Day 2019 at 1st Battalion Manipur Rifles Ground today. Health and Family Welfare Minister L. Jayanta Kumar Singh and Education and Labour and Employment Minister T.H. Radheshyam were also present at the event. Manipur State Yoga Association BST and PYS Manipur, Paravidya Yoga Sansa, Manipur Unit and DYTRA Kakching jointly staged an allied state protest today at Kaisamthong Bazaar against the potential threat to the territorial integrity of Manipur by Indo-Naga Framework Agreement. Councillors and members of Lilong Thoubal Municipal Council of Ward No. 8 of Lilong and Thoubal Municipal Council today graciously hosted Ningol Chakoba at the Community Hall of Arapati Maninglekai. Ward Councillor Basir Rahman, Ward members Tej Ahmed, T. Sanahal Mangang and around 300 women from Meiteis and Meitei Pangal communities attended the event together. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, on the occasion of 57th Statehood Day of Nagaland, congratulated the people of the state and called them as compassionate and courageous. In a tweet, Modi wished the people of Nagaland on their Statehood Day, stating that the state is known for its great culture, compassionate and courageous people. President Ramnath Kovind also took to his Twitter to wish the people of Nagaland on the occasion of 57th Statehood Day of the state. The official website of Guwahati University was reportedly hacked this morning by some unknown hackers who directed the link clicks to a porn site. As per report, the homepage of the website of the prestigious university was redirected to a pornographic site. As per reports, the homepage of the website of the prestigious university was redirected to a pornographic site. Reports also said that the website was put down and university authorities were looking on to fix the problem. 3 policemen, including a sub-inspector, was suspended yesterday in connection with the gang rape and murder of a veterinarian in Hyderabad. Cyberabad Police Commissioner V.C. Sajanar said that the police personnel were suspended for dereliction of duty, a media report said.